Ever pondered on the possibility of making money online? It may seem like a distant dream, but in reality, it's a tangible goal that many have achieved. It's not magic, it's not luck, it's about understanding the process and putting in the hard work. Let's unpack this world together. One of the most popular ways of earning online is through freelancing. Offer your unique skills on platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr. Graphic design, programming, writing, digital marketing, the possibilities are endless. But what if you're not a specialist in any field? No worries. Consider participating in online surveys or writing reviews for products and services. Websites like Swagbucks or Amazon's Mechanical Turk will pay you for your input. If selling is more your speed, e-commerce platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon provide the perfect stage. Whether it's handmade items, artwork, or dropshipping products, there's a market for everything. Content creation is another lucrative avenue. Start a blog, a YouTube channel, or a podcast. Once you've built an audience, the money will follow, be it from ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Knowledge is power, and it can also be profitable. Do you have expertise in a particular subject? Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income. Promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Don't forget about the possibility of remote work. Websites like RemoteOK or Indeed list numerous companies offering remote positions across various industries. Last but not least, if you have a knack for photography, consider selling your photos to stock photo websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. To summarize, the digital world offers a plethora of ways to make money online. Whether it's freelancing, participating in surveys, selling products, creating content, teaching online, affiliate marketing, remote work, or selling stock photos, the opportunities are abundant. Remember, success is not instant. It requires dedication, consistency, and a passion for your chosen path. So, gear up and embark on your journey towards financial freedom.